In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 9, subject maths, lecture number 17, unit number 15, Pythagoras theorem. First of all, we will do exercise 15, question number 2. Verify that a square plus b square, a square minus b square and 2ab are the measures of the sides of a right angle triangle, where a and b are any two real numbers. So that is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle must be equals to 90 degree. So you can take a square minus b square as a base, a square plus b square as a hypotenuse, and 2ab as a altitude. So apply here by using Pythagoras theorem. C square equals to a square plus b square. Now put the value of c, a and b. Now this is the a plus b whole square, so you have to apply here square formula. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now after simplification you have to get that left hand side equals to right hand side. If left hand side equals to right hand side by applying Pythagoras theorem, then we can say that these are the sides of a right angle triangle. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 2 is not including in smart syllabus, but it will be helpful to solve you question number 1. Now question number 3. Three sides of a triangle are of measures 8, x and 17. For what value of x it will become base? It means here x representing as a base of a right angle triangle. Now its longest side is 17. 17 is a hypotenuse, and now 8 is left. 8 will be altitude. Now you are talking about the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle must be equals to 90 degree. So same you have to apply by using Pythagoras theorem. C square equals to a square plus b square. So after putting the value, you have to get x square equals to 225. Now you want to remove the square, you have just find the value of x. So taking under root on both sides, so take the under root of 225, it will be equals to 15. So x equals to 15. Hence it become base of a right angle triangle at x equals to 15. Now let's see question number 7. A plane is at a height of 300 meter, is 500 meter away from airport. How much distance will it travel? Now this is the base, this is the airport. Now this is the plane. Plane is going to be land on airport. So it will make height with base. A and C height, B and C base, and AB is hypotenuse. So let this distance or hypotenuse equals to x. So length of plane 300 meter, BC equals to 500 meter. BC matlab base. Let the required distance x equals to AB. So by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem here is hypotenuse whole square equals to base whole square plus altitude whole square. Now after putting the value, you have to get 3,40,000 meter square. Now you can directly find the square root, then it will be correct. And if you will make factors, then you have to get 100 under root 34 meter. Both ways are correct. So hence it will cover 100 under root 34 meter distance travel to land at airport. Let's see question number 8. A ladder 17 meter long rests against a vertical wall. For example, this is a ladder. Now you have to put against the wall, that is base. Now the foot of ladder is 8 meter away. Foot of ladder is 8 meter away from the base of the wall. Now how high up the wall will the ladder reach? You have to find the height of the wall. So it means that is x. You have to find that is the height of the wall, base and hypotenuse. So by using, so first of all you have to let length of ladder equals to 17 meter, distance between ladder and wall equals to 8 centimeter, and let the height of wall equals to x. So in right angle triangle ABC, so you have to apply here Pythagoras theorem. Now putting the value here, you have to get x equals to 15 centimeter. Hence the length of wall will be 15 meter, not centimeter. Here meter is used here. Now review exercise 15. So you have to understand the true false. Which of the following are true and which are false? In a right angle triangle, greater angle is of 90 degree. In previous lecture you have you have learned deeply this concept. Now it is true. In a right angle triangle, right angle is of 60 degree. False. Right angle equals to 90 degree. In a right triangle, hypotenuse is a side opposite to right angle. True. If A, B, C are sides of right angle triangle with C as longer side, then hypotenuse theorem will be this. True. Now, the true false of 5th and 6th, its solution I will do on notebook. And question number 2 will be your homework. Now, let's see. 5th true false. You have to apply here Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square equals to base whole square plus altitude whole square. You have to put the value, you have to get 25 centimeter whole square. Now taking square root on both sides, then it will be equals to 5 centimeter. It's mean this statement will be true. Now 6 MCQs. In 6 true false is that if hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle is under root 2 centimeter, then each of other side is of length 2 centimeter. Okay, hypotenuse is under root 2, base and altitude are unknown, so you have to let both equals to x. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, so x square plus x square equals to 2x square. 2 shift on other side, it become divisible. 2 by 2 equals to 1 centimeter. So you have to find the value of x. So taking square root on both sides, so x equals to 1 centimeter. So this statement will be false. Its correct answer is x equals to 1 centimeter. Now you have to do the practice of unit number 15 and review exercise 15 and also exercise 15. Learn definitions and MCQs. Allah Hafiz.